Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Cook Before Noon. Hoping everyone got to celebrate Halloween, which is my favorite holiday, and that you got to raid some candy bowls this year. This week, we're making something that is spooky good. As a reminder, Cook Before Noon is all about giving you game day bites, recipes, food ideas you can make ahead of NFL kickoff on Sunday. We're going back to a recipe that I've been making since I've learned how to cook. One of those tailgate bites that can last all day. We're making my version of BBQ Chicken Quesadillas. Cheesy, packed with flavor, and easy to make, per usual. So you can get them ready before kickoff without missing a minute of the game. As always, I'll show you how to get these done step by step, but first I'll show you what you need for your shopping list. First on the list is chicken, and you're gonna wanna shred the chicken. What works great is buying a rotisserie chicken and shredding about half of it. Depends on how many quesadillas you're making. I'm focused on just making one large quesadilla. If you're making two, adjust portion sizes. Barbecue sauce, your choice of hot sauce, olive oil, shredded Colby Jack cheese, or Monterey Jack works perfectly fine as well. One package of large flour tortillas, and adjust if you need a gluten-free alternative, and scallions. The first thing we're gonna do is chop 2 bunch of scallions. And we're gonna set these aside for right now. Next, you're gonna wanna grab yourself a bowl, chicken, and barbecue sauce. As I mentioned, I shredded about half of a rotisserie chicken. If you're not using a rotisserie chicken, this comes out to about 2 cups of shredded chicken. We're gonna add all of this to the bowl. And next, we're gonna add the barbecue sauce. You want about half a cup of barbecue sauce. Then grab your hot sauce, and we're gonna add just a touch of hot sauce to give the barbecue sauce a little bit of a kick. And we're gonna mix this together by hand. Make sure to get the chicken evenly covered in sauce. Set this aside for now. Grab your tortillas. We're gonna grab all the toppings as well. Grab the chicken, scallions, and cheese. First, we're gonna layer half the tortilla and fold over. So let's start with a layer of cheese. So everything sticks to the bottom. Then, gonna add chicken. Then add your scallions. I'm a big scallion guy. Gonna add a little extra here. Then we're gonna hit it with another layer of cheese. We're gonna fold this over. Time to cook the quesadilla. I'm going to cook it in a skillet, so I'm gonna start heating that up with some oil now. Feel free, you can also cook these in the oven. But for a more crispier golden brown tortilla is why I'm gonna cook it in the skillet. Add a touch of oil. Let that heat up for about a minute, 2 minutes, low, medium heat. All right, once we let the pan heat up for a minute to 2 minutes, we're gonna add the quesadilla. Gonna cover it to let the cheese melt as well. We're gonna cook the quesadilla for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side to get that golden brown color. Smells even better than it looks. And just like that, we've got some perfect barbecue chicken quesadillas ready to go right before kickoff. Grab a wedge, share it with your friends and family, and enjoy the games. If you had fun today, enjoyed the recipe, please like, subscribe, invite your friends, family for next week, and I'll see you then. Cheers.